Alt-R.
Hi, it's Dr. Robinson, and today I'm going to just give you a quick download on how you get FS Reader and a book in it.
FS Reader.
Okay, so I'm going to show you Control O is under File, but you do need to open a book. So I'm just going to Alt F first.
Alt F. File menu. Open. Control O to move through items.
And
Press up
there
or
it
down
is.
arrow.
It
O.
tells you the commands. I'm going to hit Enter.
Enter. Leaving menus. Tree view to move through or expand items. Use the.
I'm going to hush them up. You're going to need to do Alt I for look in. Most likely your books are in the Downloads folder, so you need to go to your Downloads folder to find it. When you find the book and you hit enter and open, there are going to be a lot of different extensions in there, but you're going to be looking for the OPF extension. I'm going to shift tab twice in order to go to it because, of course, I've done this a lot.
Folder view list view not selected. Envision Mathematics grade. OPF 10/19/2023.
Off. That's what I want. I'm going to hit space bar.
Selected.
I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to load it.
Enter. Opened. 14 items. Tree view. Envision Mathematics grade 3. Volume 1. Topics 1-7 by Randall I. Charles. Opened. 14 items to move through or Envision.
I heard tree view and I was in the navigation pane and then it sounded like I just popped right back into the actual book.
Randall I. Charles.
Yep, sure enough.
Jennifer Bay. Robert Q. Barry E.
So I'm going to tell you it's easier to go to your tree view and then find where you need to be. So I'm going to hit F6.
F6. Tree view. Envision Mathematics 1. Great. Envision. Topic 1. Understand multiplication and division of whole.
1. How much easier is that? And then, of course, you F6 back and you just start reading. That's how easy it is. Now, what I want to show you, which is really, really fripping cool, you're going to do Alt F to your file.
Alt F. File menu. Open. Control O to move through items. Press up or down arrow. O.
Once you have downloaded it, you have 5 options of books or more.
Open. Add new 1 Envision Mathematics grade 3. Volume 1.
So from now on, I can do Alt F and hit number 1, and my book is instantly going to open.
2 Modern Chemistry 2.
Yep. Or Alt F and 2, and Modern Chemistry is going to instantly open. So down arrow, find out where your books are at. Once you have opened them, they are in your file, and then you can just get right to work. Okay, so that's how you do FS Reader, downright, really quick and simple, and go for it.
Leaving menus. Alt Q. End media. Enter.